I love teaching at USC because, as I tell my students, I teach what I know. I have served in public office for the last quarter of a century, and I'm always happy to share what I know. One of my favorite courses to teach is collaborative governance, the importance of each sector, public, private, and not-for-profit, interacting together to govern. We teach these sectoral relationships, whether it's urban policy, whether it's housing policy, transportation policy. All of these things kind of come together. I frankly view my role as a teacher, but more so as a facilitator, especially at the graduate level. I try to extract from them as much as possible what they can offer for each one in the classroom to learn from one another. I administer Executive Education Forum at the Price School, a program that I created about 12 years ago or so. It's a program that really services both civic now as well as military leaders. So it's a great voice for us to have as a public policy school to not only educate the leaders of tomorrow, but to keep up with the leaders of today. I also oversee our couple of our military-related assets, and that we call ROTC, Reserve Officer Training Corps programs, along with, by the way, nautical science. To have the ROTC school at our policy school, I think it's really important. Base command is no different than being a mayor or a city manager. So I'm looking forward to interacting with them in order to make sure that that relationship between military and civilian is strong. I have been delighted the last few years when I have had time and opportunity to write about some of the disciplines that I teach. Those would be, of course, governance, negotiation, and leadership. I want to speak about things that perhaps the media does not cover as much and lend a voice to the underserved. If students are interested in the 21st century and the change that comes with it, this is one of the best laboratories in LA for civic education, generally speaking, policy education, and public administration. We are a school that wants to be transformational. We are a school that wants to benefit and advance society by educating and by bringing together those who will serve their fellow man.